Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. And on this episode, we're going to be doing taillights on the F350. I know it took a while. These took a while to get for some reason, longer than I expected. But now they're here. We're going to be swapping over stock ones with these 08 style taillights. These are aftermarket, not OEM, but these are exactly to the OEM, pretty much OEM specs. Top plug there is the backup light. So we're going to be doing some rewiring there, but it's pretty simple. I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. You just got to do an extension and a plug that I picked up on Amazon as well. I'll show you guys what I got, where I got it, and how easy it is to swap this over. All right, let's go. All right, and here are the taillights that I got from Brock aftermarket parts. Basically, I got a box inside a box inside a box, and we get the taillights right here. And I also picked up these plugs. These are the ones that will extend the backup light, and they're gonna go up to here because the plug itself is smaller on the 08 Plus than the 01 plug. That one's a huge plug. I'll show you guys that when I take off the taillight. And it's definitely gonna look a lot better, more modern, nice and clean, upgraded. It's gonna look pretty nice. It also sticks out a little bit. As you can see, it's gonna bulge out a little bit, so it's gonna look better. And this is more of a flush look, older style looking. So it's gonna pretty much fit the back pretty nicely. It's gonna fit the lines nicely. The bumper, everything's gonna all tie up together, and she's gonna look pretty sweet. All right, so to remove the taillight, pretty simple. You just got two 10mm screws right here. And we're gonna put them right here. Mine didn't even snap in, but usually they'll be snapped in right here. Remove this tail light and the backup. And that's it for the tail light. Let's do the other side. On this side I got 8mm, kind of weird. I don't know what happened here, but this side got 8mm. Oh, let's not drop them in there. This one's a little bit, you just have to kind of pull it, not break it. A little bit trickier. There we go. Remove that. And there we go. All right, so here's what we got for the taillights. We got the backup light on the new ones on top. This one's on the bottom. So basically the only thing, what is this for? I guess there's a hole over here. It's covered, but I guess you can maybe run like some kind of red LED in here if you wanted to. These ones don't have it. So anyways, these are the same. This is for the brake light, and for the back light the holes are a lot different. So I ended up picking up these guys. I'll have the link to this connector and the taillight down in the description. Basically that's gonna go in, snap in, and you turn and you're good to go. All right, so for the backup light, this is the brake light. We need to go up here, and obviously this is too short, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these off as close to the plug as possible. So now we got this wire with some tape that's falling apart. There we go. And we're gonna make this, you know, nice and long, so it'll be good to go. It's like a 18 gauge. And these are a little thicker, or maybe more insulated, but yeah, a little bit thicker too. And I'm gonna slide my shrink tubes on here. Like so. And then we're gonna wrap these around. All right, so that's the best way to wrap it. I don't know if you guys can see in the sun, but that's the best way to do it before soldering. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of flux on here, and it's gonna help it solder a little bit better, because sometimes the solder just doesn't want to stick. So a little bit of flux helps. Okay, I'm going to heat underneath and apply solder from the top. And that pretty much soaks right into the wire. And there's going to be no bad connections. Same thing right here. Heat a little bit on top, then on the bottom. It should go right in. Basically, when you're heating from the bottom and applying solder on top, that basically goes from the top, and then it goes through the wire, and then it goes down to the iron, and that makes it a really nice solid connection. And now we're gonna shrink wrap this spot. And it's going to be nice and new. Alright, and let's do this one really quick. You noticed I didn't put an LED in the other. Oh, this is gonna be tight. I didn't put an LED in the other taillight because I couldn't find it. I was cleaning my garage and now no idea where I put it. There we go. So, and plus I need to buy those little what are they called? Little plastic clip-ins, because that side was not snapping in, because I think those are broken. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and see if I can find all 4 of them to replace them. So right now we're just doing the wiring for the taillights. It's a little hot out here, and I'm kind of installing AC unit in my garage, so I think that'd be kind of cool. But because I was moving everything around, Everything's like all over the place, but I was trying to clean up the garage, move everything around, and then to have AC in the garage, especially in this temperature. Oh, it's horrible. Doing anything in the garage or outside, it just sucks. Let's see here. Seat up the wire, and then get some solder in there. All right, that one's good. So basically I'm holding it underneath, heating up the wire, sending the solder from top to bottom, and it turns out perfect. And we got the sleeves. And of course my camera overheated and it's shut down. So basically this side is finished now. And let's see what we got. Looking so much better, more modern. I like the bulging part. Bulges out, kind of matches the tailgate a little bit better. And we got this one right there. Yeah, it looks so much better. More modern. I like it. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. If you need any of these parts, whatever tools or anything you need, I got the links down below. Check it out. If you got any questions, let me know. If you got any comments, let me know. Put down in the comments, or follow me on Instagram. If you got any questions on there, hit me up on Instagram and I'll be glad to help. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.